Good day, everyone. Learn how to clear cache of Chrome browser in mobile. So, to clear the cache of Chrome browser in Android phone, we need to open the browser, and at the top right corner where you see the three dots, click on that. Clearing cache is a very good thing if your browser is slow, if there is any glitch while accessing. Now, once you click on the three dots, you will find a lot of options, and just below the history, you will find delete browsing data. And here you will find more options like cookies, cache, and other site data. So in here in Chrome, we will click on options, and you will select the time range, whether you want the all time or the last 24 hours. You can select up. Once you are done with your time range, you can uncheck whatever you do not want to clear. So here I do not want to remove the passwords, and I wanted to close the tabs. Cache in my phone, it is already clear, but you may have a lot of cache in your browser. So once you're done, you just need to click on delete, and this is how you can clear cache of Chrome browser in any mobile phone. Please subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a wonderful day.